Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So I've let this original fire log, which I attempted a couple of weeks back, let it dry out, and I'm just opening up the chamber, the original chamber here. So I'm just working on it. I'll put it in time lapse, but you can see I'm trying to break through this chamber here to make a bigger draw than we had last time. So I'm just working into the wood and gonna make, as I said, hopefully that draw will be a lot stronger than it was last time. But we'll see how we get on. It's meant to be a beautiful day today, but the sun hasn't appeared. It's been very rainy over the weekend, so we've got a bit of a break in the weather, and just thought I'd have another go. So as you can see, just working my way through it. Good to spend some time switching off. So I think I've reached the limits of the length of the drill bit here, as you can see just on camera here, and I'll just put that one side. So I've opened up the top here with sort of 3 cylinder points, or 3 chambers I guess, and the initial sort of vent in will draw hopefully a bit more, and it's a less windy day than I had it before. So I'm going to fill it up that trust hardy, I think they call it lint, don't they, from a tumble dryer. I shove that in there with some bales of those wax bales you can buy at supermarkets and things, and it's all good fun having trying new things again. So we'll see how it goes, fill that up, and we'll give it a light. So here's a few I prepared earlier. Now I'm gonna break, because it's quite damp, the log still, so if we don't have success today, it's going to go in the barn for a good couple of months I think, but this should demonstrate whether it's got some draw on it. And I just wanted to test the theory, so I'm going to put some of this up here and just get some good draw. It's nice and safe here because the ground is really damp, so we're not going to be setting the hedgerows I like today. And I'll fill this full of that lint, I think that's what you call it. I won't overfill it, let it breathe. Now I know the purists amongst you will be smiling with me using a firelighter here, but I haven't got time today to be messing around with a flint. So, we are ignited, and well, so it's 2:45. I'll bring you back in about a quarter of an hour and see how it's going. All right.